Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at the top 3 most popular topics on our channel known as Best of the Emergency Room. I'll put a link to the channel below. So what search term is the most popular? Let's start with number 3. It is staph infections. Now let's look at some examples. A staph infection is an infection caused by bacteria commonly found on the skin or in the nose. Common symptoms include boils and oozing blisters. Staph can also cause food poisoning, resulting in nausea, vomiting, and stomach ache.
And the blanching, so that's actually a good amount of anesthetic there. Hopefully we'll get the desired effect.
For several months before it got infected and swelled up like you see here. This swelling occurred in just a matter of days. In this shot, I'm taking a culture to test for exactly what type of bacteria is causing the infection.
Number 2. Broken bones. From the crunch of a sports injury to an accidental fall, people break bones in all kinds of ways, usually from some sort of impact. Let's use this as an opportunity to look at some of the worst x-rays the ER has ever seen. And what is number 1? Well, it's actually a combination of words like pimple popping, blackheads, and zits. Although not common in the emergency room, these are some of the most searched keywords for people who find the channel. So comment below, and type yes if you are a popaholic. Do you watch Dr. Sandra Lee, Blackhead King, or Jim Nitarucci? And why do you enjoy pimple popping like this? Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
I just had a baby 5 months ago, and I was having a hard time sleeping at night after I had her, obviously, and I tried this Rest More, and I'm sleeping so much better every night.
Doesn't make me feel groggy, fall asleep pretty easy, wake up refreshed, best sleep I ever had. Amazing, I would refer it to anybody.
Tried this for a month and it works great. I got a full night of sleep, wake up feeling nice and well rested, and now I can finally get to bed on time and have a full night of sleep.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.